This is a story of how I got my setup from this to this, with the help of Cololight. Your girl loves anything with a good love story, so it felt fitting to use the Cololight Pro Hexagon Heart Kit above my monitor. With the help of my fiance, we were off to work trying to level up my desk space since I'm always there editing clips or voice auditions or tryharding in Splatoon 3. And there she is. Look how cute. Now, instead of shoving my game controller in my drawer, I thought it would be nice to showcase it with the Cololight Mix Acid Light and Gamepad stand. It even comes with these stickers, which I thought were super adorable. The cool thing with this is that you can use it as either a wall light decor or a stand for your controller. And just like the Hexagon light, you can change the colors to whatever suits you best, either manually or through the app. I stuck with pink. And ta-da! There are so many girlies out there with intricate, beautiful setups, but improving your setup takes time. So I want to give a shout out to Cololight for helping brighten and improve my space.